Hi, my name is Paisley.
Hi everybody! So today we are gonna do some of my bar routines. These are really good with your belly and everything. So everybody, let's follow along. So we're gonna do like L shape and where you are on the bar and you put your feet up to the bar. So I'm gonna show you L shape. So first, get on the bar. Then you're just gonna put your feet up like this, and let's hold it as long as you can. And I can't hold it that long, but you guys have to try to hold it as long as you can.
Number 2, we're gonna do board.
So next we're gonna try to put our hands on the bar, and then we're gonna like put our feet up on the bar and try to touch it. This is a really hard one, so if any of you guys can't do it, if you get mad at yourselves, just keep trying. It is really hard for me too. So everybody, let's try your best. So on this, I can only do one, but everybody please don't try one. Please do as many as you can. And this is really hard, so if you can't do any, let's make sure to keep trying. So now we're gonna try these like circle things. I don't really know what it's called. I just made this up. But anyways, if you can't do this one, it's no problem. You don't have to, because it's not really a routine. So now we're gonna try push-ups. Let's see how many I can do. So first, get up on the bar. I mean, that's probably what everybody would do. So let's do 1, 2, and 3. Yay, I did 3.
Let's go. Now we are gonna do.
Let's think.
Let's try something else.
Oh, let's try something new. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get on the bar, just like this, and you're just gonna swing. And you're gonna swing like a monkey, and then gonna grip, and then you're just gonna fall up and land it, and put your hands up always.
Bye everybody, that's it for today. I hope you guys keep following me and give me more subscribers. Make sure to subscribe and like our video.